the spacious living space. This is the spacious kitchen. Here we can see the bed space. Hey everyone, welcome to Housey, myself Brinda. Today we will be doing the sample flat tour of World of Gardens by Trent Square Constructions, which is located on Kodgehalli Main Road, Sadaramangala near Whitefield, Bangalore. Right now I am standing at the main entrance of this project. From here we can see the marketing office, and just right beside the marketing office we have our land parcel. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you what exactly Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom price guarantee. Unlike other listing platforms, if you do a single inquiry, your contact number will be shared with multiple brokers. But in Housey, you just don't have to worry, because in Housey, the listings will be done by the developers, not by the brokers. So you can build your dream home only on Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. We can experience 4 countries in one community. This project is spread across 12 acres of land parcel, consisting of 4 towers with 2 basement plus ground plus 35 floors, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium homes. Now let's talk about the amenities. In this project, we can experience 4 different themed gardens such as English garden. Inside the English garden, we can experience aromatic garden, children playground, tree house and many more. Inside the Spanish themed garden, we can experience yoga platform, art garden and many more. Inside the Japanese themed garden, we can experience pet park, Japanese plaza and tennis court, pickleball court and many more. Now coming to the Bali theme garden, we have party lawn and BBQ area, and finally a grand clubhouse with rooftop amenities. Now let's talk about the location part. This project is located in Kodgehalli Main Road, Sadaramangala, Whitefield, Bangalore. This road behind me takes you towards Kodgehalli Main Road, and towards my left hand side, this road takes you towards Bellathur Main Road. And right now I am standing at the main entrance of this project. Talking about the key connectivity of this project, we can reach Whitefield Hoskote Main Road in just 3.1 km. We have Nexus Shantiniketan Mall, which we can reach in just 5 km. And we can reach Kadgodi Metro Station in less than 20 minutes of drive. So now let's check out their 4 BHK model flat of 2240 square feet super built-up area. Let's get inside. We can see the main door with digital door lock. Here comes the spacious fire area. When we come inside the house, we can see the spacious living space. Here is the spacious living space with a huge TV unit. And also we can see the 6-seating dining space. We have the attached balcony with anti-skid flooring, and also the iron railings. Right in front of the dining area, we have a spacious kitchen. This is the spacious kitchen with a small utility and the open window. We have the sink area over here, followed by the common washroom. Washroom has anti-skid flooring and the sanitary fittings. Here comes the bedroom number 1. The guest bedroom comes with the open window and also the wardrobe. This is bedroom number 2. We have the bed space with an open window, a small cute little study table, a spacious wardrobe and the attached bathroom. Comes with the anti-skid flooring and sanitary fittings. This is bedroom number 3. Again, we can see the bed space, study table, wardrobe space. Attached balcony has anti-skid flooring with iron railings. And also we have attached bathroom, anti-skid flooring and sanitary fittings. Before getting inside the master bedroom, let me tell you the features of Housey. Housey provides actual location tour, actual flat and also the sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, EMI schedule and payment scheme, 360-degree location tour. All these features are under Housey.com itself. So what are you waiting for? Do register now at www.housey.com and book your free site visit now. So let's get inside the master bedroom. Here we can see the bed space, the study table, and also the open window for natural light and ventilation. A spacious wardrobe setup. We have the attached washroom, comes with the anti-skid flooring and the sanitary fittings. So everyone, as you all know that we are today here at Sadaramangala location. If you come across any other project in this location, do let me know in the comment section. For more such exclusive videos, check it out Housey.com. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe Housey. Until next video, this is Vrunda signing off.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.